I'm going to be showing you how to fix cutscene lag in Honkai Star Rail. So cutscene lag and stuttering in Honkai Star Rail is a known issue, affecting both mobile and PC players. So the problem often manifests as audio distortion, frame drops, or general lag during cutscenes, even when gameplay runs smoothly. So to fix this issue, you can try several solutions depending on your platform. So if you're using mobile, you can try disabling shadows in the game settings. So what you need to do is just be on the game and look at the top left. So as you have this mobile icon right there, just go ahead and tap here, and you have settings, this gear icon right there. Just tap here, and now you have the option of shadow quality. Just turn it off, and this should help with the lag. You can also try turning off hardware overlay in developer options, try clearing the game's cache through settings, or try changing the application you're using when a cutscene starts, then reopening the game. If you're a PC user, just lower the FPS from 60 to 30 and disable anti-aliasing in graphics settings and ensure that your device meets the minimum system requirements. So this issue is widespread and may be related to the game's optimization for certain devices. So in this way, you can successfully fix cutscene lag in Honkai Star Rail. I hope this video was helpful for you. Please leave us a like and drop us a comment down below, and we'll see you again in our next video. Thank you for watching.